Welcome to JD's Prep. Here we are looking at a scenario to answer two questions. Wild horses called mustangs roam acres of federally owned land in the western United States. These horses have overgrazed the local vegetation to the extent that plants and soils are being entirely lost. When the number of mustangs that roam the land exceeds the number of horses that the land can sustain, the government organizes helicopter-driven roundups. The horses are guided into a roped-off area and then are sold to the public or brought to pastures in the Midwest. About 1% of the horses captured die from injuries or accidents that occur during roundups. Let's take a look at our first question. The risk to the horses during the roundups compared to the entire loss of plants and soils is considered 1. Selective breeding, 2. A technological fix, 3. Direct harvesting, or 4. A trade-off. Because we are looking at a scenario where the government is trying to do a good thing to preserve the land and soil, but cause a bad thing in the process, this is a case where, in this case, the horses are becoming injured or killed. This is called a trade-off, which is option 4. Let's take a look at our next question. The number of organisms that an area of land can sustain over a long period of time is known as 1. Ecological succession, 2. Its finite resources, 3. Its carrying capacity, or 4. Evolutionary change. Here we are looking at the definition of what a carrying capacity is, which is option 3. Simply put, a carrying capacity is how many individuals an area can sustain. Thanks for visiting JD's Prep.